EAS. I never had the IEM bot open, but there's a severe thunderstorm warning somewhere. Guys, my computer's being very slow, so I didn't have my IEM bot open.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sangamon County, southeastern Mason County, northeastern Scott County, western Menard County, Morgan County, southeastern Cass County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jacksonville, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Quarter-size hail was reported in Jacksonville at 1:35 p.m. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management.
Wow.
The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Springfield, Jacksonville, Chatham, Alexander, Petersburg, Athens, New Berlin, Ashland, Pleasant Plains, Miami, Franklin, Laredo, Chapin, Woodson, Tooele, Leiterbury, South Jacksonville, Jerome, Southern View, and Blue Grove. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 90 and 93. Interstate 72 between mile markers 58 and 99. You are listening to the